I got a questionnaire that you guys might find fun to run through and answer. You can also interrupt and we can ask questions too, okay? That really, if you got a question, somebody else probably also has the same question, and it really helps my talk go better when you guys ask questions and I can just be free form, okay? We've got 3 parts that we're going to sort of go over today. One is I've provided a book list for you guys, okay? These are books that I think are really important in preventive dentistry and also in growth and development, okay? This baby-led weaning book is for sale here at Raisin Rack, okay? I've asked them to put this on their shelves because I need places for people to go get it. And here's a couple other good books. This book's called Gas. It's just out. It's about airway and how poor airway affects children as well as adults. Also, bad airway affects dentistry, your dental health, tooth decay, and gum disease. TMJ, all the headache stuff. And a couple more good books that are on the book list. This one is 6-Foot Tiger in 3-Foot Box. This is about our tongue being a certain size, but our mouth is not big enough to accommodate this tongue that God's blessed us all with. And so we're going to talk a bit about this fact. And I've got an oldie but goodie here. This is Dentistry Without Mercury, okay? This is one of my mentors, Dr. Ziff. He recently passed away, but he wrote this excellent book, very condensed, only about a 1/4 inch thick. It's easy to read, okay? But it's got all the good information in about mercury, doing mercury-free dentistry, how to do proper cleanup, and also it's got some detoxification information also to get the mercury that's in your tissues. I take a lot of mercury out of people's mouths, okay, but that's what I'm cleaning up for my patients. But the mercury that they've been swallowing over the years of living with those mercury fillings, that gets stored in people. People who are really dealing with their mercury well, they excrete their mercury. So some of us are excreters of poisons, some of us are storers of poisons, but I really can't look at you and tell who's what, okay? But I do like this book. And then another book on breathing and reflux and coughing and stuff that I really like is this Chronic Cough Enigma by Dr. Kaufman. This also blends into the airway stuff that we dentists and physicians are dealing with. And then this other book here is Close Your Mouth, which goes along with the Oxygen Advantage book. Both the Oxygen Advantage and Close Your Mouth are written by Patrick McEwen. He's also got a child's book out for kids, okay? There are a lot of kids who, when they run about 15 feet, they're tired. They don't want to run any farther. If you're a 3 or 4-year-old, you should be able to tear around this room and not get tired, okay? You should be able to play around with your classmates and have a gleeful time running, okay? But a lot of young folks can't. And if that's the case, they're most likely breathing through their mouth all the time. They're not using this, okay? And they're also over-breathing and breathing too rapidly. This book talks all about that and how to reverse that. So does the children's book. So the children's book, if you really want an abbreviated version of the bare bones facts, get the children's book.
It's a children's book for children to read?
Yeah, it's like for you to read to them, or it's a picture book, sort of. And it depends on how